Hey everyone, it's California Scratcher Guy. How's everyone all doing today? Hoping everybody is having a great day today. Alright guys, so today I went to the supermarket here and I picked up a couple more of these $2 California Lottery Scratcher. And these ones are called Top Dog, Top Cat. Alright, so these are the newest card that just came out this month. Or actually, yeah, this month, the end of this month. We played these one before, but let's go ahead and give him another try here, and hopefully we'll get lucky today. And like always guys, just like in all the videos here, before we get into the scratching here, let's go ahead and go over the instruction real quick, just in case if you guys are brand new at playing this game, at least you guys have an idea of how to play it. Okay, all right, so once again, it's a $2 card, Top Cat, Top Dog. Grand prize is $30,000. Match any of your numbers to either of the winning numbers. Win price shown. Uncover a double money bag symbol. Win double the price shown. Alright, so very straightforward, just like any other game, but it is a brand new card, okay? Alright, so let's get started, guys. Winning numbers are 10 and 14. 10 and 14. All right, 10 and 14. So it looks like we got nothing there. Let's keep moving on. All right, 6 and 14. Six and 14. All right, nothing. All right, 2011. Seems hard to win, guys. 20 and 11. All right, nothing close. All right, 23, 10. Bunch of number one coming out, the lucky number one. But that's not what we're looking for. 23-10, guys. Alright, nothing on this one either. Alright, last one here. Top Cat. Last one. Number 13. Number 2. Lucky number 1 again. $13-2. Alright guys, so what do you guys think? We gonna have a winner or are we gonna have a total bust? Let's find out right now. And it is a total bust on these brand new cards right here, guys. $2 card called the Top Dog, Top Cat. So we spend 10 bucks. We lost 10 bucks. All right, that's just how the lottery is. Sometimes you win big, sometimes you win small, and sometimes you just bust, just like today. Just like we bust today. All right, guys, if you guys have any questions or comment, leave them down below. And if you guys are Scratcher lovers, make sure to subscribe to my channel so that way you don't miss out the next video, okay? With that being said, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy scratching, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.